Yep.
Para afuera.
Because you need to stroke. You need to
You can whatever.
set stuff up.
Hacia allá, pa. Tíralo hacia allá.
Can I cast it?
Yeah, but not with this lure because this lure is going very deep. You want a casting? When we trolling, it's better just trolling because yeah, the line can take the motor or something.
Yeah.
But
And then we'll be trapped out here and we'll have to swim back.
I know.
yeah, but look at that. Sit down there, and when the fish come, you take this fishing pole.
Yeah, I told him whichever fish.
Sí. Ya, cierre. Ya. Y el freno, a ver. Bueno.
You gonna help me?
What?
That's a really
Ok, quítese ahí para que ella se siente.
I think you'll be all right.
¿Eh?
Here, you gonna help me? What if it's a real big one? I think you'll be all right.
The lure in the water, we look go with the line. We need tie little brake and put the fishing pole here. When the fish comes, the fishing pole do it like this.
Okay.
And you listen that because you see the real turn. Yeah, that's what. When that's happening, it's because the fish comes.
Has she been trolling
Just
before?
waiting for enjoy the view, and when the fish comes, you listen everything. You can sit down there or here, whatever you want.
Sit in the sun where you can burn.
I know.
You want to sit right here where I'm sitting?
No, I let my feet go. They're already burnt.
Since you need sun lotion. I don't need.
Ponme la otra para. ¿Qué? ¿Me le dice que ocupa bloqueador? ¿Tu bolso?
You should ask.
You should ask. Since you don't have any of this good old chocolate skin.
You should be blaming Coe now.
Wait a minute.
Coe.
Coke.
Coe
No,
didn't give me any.
I leave it in my home.
That's fine.
Because he don't need it either, so it's just you.
It's Coe's fault, man.
I don't know who Cole is.
Coe. Forgets it.
Who's that?
Shauna. Uncle Richie's daughter.
Oh, Shauna.
She goes by Coe now.
Why she go like Cole?
I don't know. I've always known her as Coe.
That's your mom, isn't it? Bio mom. It's not your mom, it's your bio mom. It's different. Are you watching your phone?
I can't see nothing. Where's my sunglasses?
Where's your sunglasses?
Is this good?
Yes. It's not.
Pues yo sí
Uh-uh.
iría como a ver. Igual que. Ya voy a fish.
It'll go down a lot.
Yeah.
I'll tell you when it is.
Can you ask him for the sunglasses?
¿Tiene los sunglasses?
Lloyd, she
What?
wants to know if she can get her sunglasses.
Oh, they in my
No,
bag.
he gave me a cooler pair.
Oh, okay.
Mine are cooler.
Okay. You want some water for your feet? Oh, put your feet in the shade right there. No, turn around the other way. Yeah. So you can put them there or the other direction so you can see the boat.
Qué bueno de nadar, más caliente, pa. Sí.
Listen to music.
I am.
Cocoa hot.
That's not even what the song is.
Huh?
That's not even what the song is.
We were gonna buy some land that's over here.
Oh, on this side?
Yeah. It's over where those trees are over there.
That'd be nice. Are you still gonna buy it?
I don't think so. But we're thinking about buying it from Jose and His dad.
Where would you keep a pontoon boat out here? They have places you could keep them?
Over there where they keep those.
Oh, okay.
Where we got on the boat. They have boat slips there.
Oh, okay.
Or you could buy that house right there. Look behind you. Buy that house right there. And then just keep it out here.
Get you a lift. Not for a pontoon boat though.
Be what?
A regular boat you could get a lift.
What is a lift?
It lifted out the water.
It's a boat. Why does it need to be out of the water?
It lasts longer.
They don't have time and tide.
Huh?
Time and tide.
No, you could get a lift at your house
Oh.
if you're on the river.
Oh yeah.
I know you can get a wheelchair lift. How big do machaca get?
The bigger,
What's the biggest?
maybe 3 kilograms.
Really?
Yeah,
So like,
2.5.
that's like,
7
It's
pounds.
very big,
Yeah.
like this.
oh, that's it.
Yeah, I don't
Oh.
see, and in other places I don't see machacas. How big are here?
Are machacas the fish that you showed me a picture of this morning?
Mm-hmm. Like a piranha.
Okay.
Yeah, those are the ones you were catching.
And one tilapia.
Yeah, a small one.
Mine was pretty big.
See, that's what people put when they waterfront.
So it's just on a motor that.
They just lifted out the water.
Why does it last longer out of the water?
You don't have all the dangers from the water.
So do you take yours and put it in the water, then put it back on the trailer and?
My marina do it.
You have a place where they'll take them in and out of the water on forklifts.
Really?
That's really cool.
We don't have all that stuff. We're just simple folks.
No, está tocando fondo. I think
Oh, look at that, Kai.
it's the bottom, I think.
Can I really
The water here is low.
So it's dragging on the ground?
Yeah. Ya no. No, ahí. Ma, está potente este sol. Sí, ma, ya lo estaba sintiendo.
mom is smart enough to know you can't catch a bluefin tuna out here. We caught 2 bluefin tuna.